Yeah, no, you have to.
Hello guys, today we're here with Aries.
Yeah, don't let him. Yeah, don't let him.
Once again.
We're not going to do that,
Right.
sir.
No, you have to start it earlier.
Why you keep walking? Hold him.
Yep.
There you go.
No, absolutely. No, you started earlier, like tell him no. No, as far as like biting and everything. He is.
I did the chicken thing. He doesn't really care for the chicken. The Vienna sausage, that's his thing.
Yeah.
Do you...
He loves that.
Oh, he likes Vienna
And
sausages?
Yep, I uploaded that video. The only thing I'm confused on is the next part when he's talking about when you do this. I'm so confused, so I can't even do the videos because nobody's there with me, and I got confused when he was trying to explain it.
The healing?
No, the positive negative reinforcement.
Positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement?
Come here.
Great. I like the stinky, and he can like nib it with his little teeth. See?
Do you want one?
He loves this. I remember I used to eat these.
Oh, me too.
My granddaughter loves them for some reason. I'm like, they are still a good snack.
They're definitely a
Okay.
good snack.
See?
There we go.
Good job.
Good boy.
Yay,
Good boy.
Good job.
Okay.
It's a party now.
Okay. This is good.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Find something.
So, we're going to step back slowly. Or I guess I am. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to do it. Good boy. Good boy.
So what he's doing basically, he's praising him first before he applied the command.
Okay.
Yes.
So you want him to understand first, like, okay,
I'm gonna get a snack for
I did
doing
something,
this.
yes. But
Okay.
now, when he understands it a little bit here and there, he will know.
What that word means.
It's because dogs understand body language a lot better than words.
Yeah,
And-
because it's like mumble jumbo to him, huh?
Yeah. And I want to make sure that the command is the only thing that they're associating with, only word that they're hearing that they're associating with the action that they're doing.
Okay.
But right now I'm just seeing if he sits and stays, which is good. He is doing that. Hey,
I'm sorry.
sit.
I should sit down.
Good boy. Hey. Good boy. Aries. Right now, he probably doesn't really understand what's happening because he's just getting rewards for not doing anything. That's why this process is
But it's a process.
boring.
He's in
Yeah.
now.
It's okay though. It's a good process.
Yes.
This is a
he's
good
actually
thing
been
to
on it.
learn.
Right. He's very smart. He understood, like, if I get on it, I get a snack now.
I'll tell him stay at home and I can get to the other side of the living room before he comes.
So he stays on his own?
I don't know. I just train him. I just tell him things, I think.
It's good. I mean, they're hearing it, so they're
Yeah.
familiar with it.
Sit. Aries. Sit.
Mastiff, usually they're very smart dogs.
Good
so
boy.
He
They
picks
pick
up
up,
fast
yes,
when he wants to.
that part.
This is great that he's saying. We didn't really do that though. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
He's doing it on his own.
Probably because I don't know. I've been working on it at home too. I don't know.
It helps. It helps.
Yeah,
When you
then
work
he
with
comes-
him, that's what we
Aries,
always give you
here.
homework.
I just watch y'all's videos. Like
That's good. It's
it helps me.
Here.
And that's why we want you to watch the videos. but
Good boy.
anytime,
Good
like,
boy.
you pick up, we
Good
will
boy.
correct you if you do something
Yeah,
wrong.
wrong.
This is where we come in the game. Instruct you how to do it, how to perfect it, how to make him recognize it,
Yeah.
the words, the commands, and everything else.
Just like that. That was a
Aries.
lesson for me to not say anything to him, to just do.
Yes. And again, you already learned
Aries.
that you only say word one time.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be saying it. Come,
Over, over. He won't understand it.
Yeah. Now he's confused. Like, what are you
What are you
saying?
talking?
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Between there.
Okay.
That's smart. Come.
Good boy.
Glad you got me covered.
Good boy.
We really need him to understand the play commands.
Aries, come. Boy. Good boy, Aries. He's the boy, good boy, good boy.
Let's get him on the place again.
Aries, come. Aries, place. Good boy.
Good boy. Yes.
Okay. Sit.
Aries, sit.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Good boy.
That was perfect. You're doing
Perfect.
great with him.
Yes.
You're doing really
Thanks. Good boy. Aries, come. Aries, come. Stay there. That's good. I like that you stay there.
No.
Aries, sit.
Good boy. Come on. Come. 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 Come.
So now we're staying.
Aries, come.
Oh.
Come. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Yes, yes, yes. Good boy. Rub it on your teeth.
Oh my
Good.
gosh, man.
Rub it in. It's to lick it a long time.
Aries. Place.
I think he get full with the treats now, and he's just like, I don't need them right now.
He doesn't even really. Sometimes he doesn't need a treat.
Yeah,
He just does.
Yeah, this is what we keep it in an hour because they get tired fast.
Yeah.
How you can tell, he's like, end of the session, and he's like, right?
Oh, he went home and slept that first day, right?
Really?
For about 4 or 5 hours.
Nice.
He was so tired.
That's good. That's what we want. Building the endurance. Yeah, he said he don't want that. Chat again, Brandon. Chat again. Oh, there you go. I fell yesterday over my dog. She was so excited. I tried to turn her around. She was right by my knee. I was like, fell over her.
That's what he likes to trip us up. We have to be careful.
Yes, yes, you do.
He's almost got me a couple times. Aries, come.